Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you types of makeup brushes with names eyebrow and lash brush comb, lash brush or spoolie brush, small fan brush, shadow sponge brush, eyeliner brush, angled liner brush, rounded liner brush, bent liner brush, small smudger liner brush, small angled liner brush, small rounded liner brush, flat liner brush, liner smudger brush, rounded angle smudge brush, lip brush, concealer brush, short smudger brush, small concealer brush, smudge brush, small smudge brush, crease brush, flat shadow brush, eyeshadow brush, angled shadow brush, blending brush, short shadow brush, angle blending brush, large shadow brush, foundation brush, small blush brush, large angles brush, highlight contour brush, duo fever stippling brush, powder brush, large fan brush. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.